tutorial, I will show you how to put a long bio on your Instagram account. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. To add a longer bio, you first need to switch your account to a professional account. This is required because Instagram's standard personal accounts are limited to a shorter bio format. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. After that, you want to scroll down. Here find the option Account Type and Tools, select that, then select Switch to Professional Account. Now select Next, then select a category. Now tap on Switch to Professional Account. Now select either Creator or Business, then select Next. Now follow the on-screen prompts. After that, you can set up your professional account. Once that is done, tap on the Edit Profile option. Now tap on Bio. Now you can simply enter a longer bio over here. Type whatever you want. Instagram will allow more characters after switching to a professional account. Once you're done, tap on the check mark at the top right corner. Then repeat the confirmation. And in this way, you can add a long bio on Instagram. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.